Manually adding contacts and accounts to your database is a straightforward process. To begin, you need to be in your Customer Center, and then select the Contacts tab located at the top of the page. The Contacts portion of the Customer Center allows you to manage your contacts. You can run contact searches at the top of the page by a last name, company, or email address. You can access any customer by selecting their name on the search screen. And to create new contacts or accounts, you'll just simply select the New Contact button or the New Account button. There is only one difference between creating a new contact or a new account. When you create a new contact, we're looking for contact information, their first name, their last name, their company, city, state, address. Whereas when you create an account, we're just looking for their company information, their company name, their company business address, and then maybe a generic email address like an info @ or a service @. And then when you create those contacts, you can make them members of that account. So when you create accounts, it's more or less a hierarchy structure that you're creating. Let's create a new account first, and then we'll create a new contact. So to create a new account, we'll select the New Account button, and you can see it loads a little pop-up window. And we're just really looking for company information. Again, name, contact info. So let's name the company StructuredWeb. We'll give it an email address of info@structuredweb.com. A business phone number. We'll use the toll-free number. And then it asks for the address information. So let's put the business address. When you're finished, click the Save button, and that adds this account into the database. So as you can see, the account's been created, and it returned me to the summary screen. Now let's go ahead and create a new contact. So I will return back to my Contacts tab. And now instead of clicking New Account, I'll click New Contact. And the same window will load, but now you can see we're looking for actual contact information, their first name, their last name, and their personal email address. Let's go ahead and start filling out this information. Now as you can see, the company name is StructuredWeb, and it's already detected that I have an account in the system for StructuredWeb. So I'll choose it from the drop-down box. That will populate the business address for me, so I won't have to do that. Okay, so you can see the address has been populated. And now all I need is to enter their first name, their last name, their email address. If the phone number is different, maybe instead of using the 800 number, I'll enter their direct number. Okay. And if you have any other information, you can add that. In the same process, when you're finished, you can just hit the Save button, and that will create this contact. Not only has it created the contact, but it's added it to the account StructuredWeb. So if I look at the account, and I can get there by clicking on the hyperlink to the account. So now this takes me back to the account I created. And now if I click the Contacts tab, you'll notice Mark Ritchie is part of StructuredWeb. Now you can add new contacts to the accounts directly from the screen as well. You would just simply click this New Contact button. If the contact already exists in your database and you want to add it to the account, you can do that as well by clicking the Select Contacts button.